Tired of the same old online money myths? Today, I'm breaking down 5 real ways people make money online, and I'll show you exactly how you can start today step by step. Let's dive in. Alright, what is up everybody? It's Paul here, and welcome back to the channel. You're scrolling through YouTube, seeing videos promising $1 million overnight with some secret online trick. Most of it, just noise. But today, we're cutting through all that fluff. I'm not here to sell you a dream, I'm here to give you a roadmap. We're talking about legitimate, proven strategies that ordinary people, just like you and me, are using right now to generate real income from the internet. No get-rich-quick schemes, no impossible promises, just actionable advice. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, maybe even open up a notepad, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what's possible and how to make it happen. Let's get into it and start building that online income stream you've been thinking about. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Alright, let's kick things off with method number 1. And honestly, this is probably one of the most accessible ways to start making money online. Freelancing. Writing, editing, design, video, coding, whatever your skill, someone's hiring for it. Think about it. Businesses and individuals all over the world need tasks done, projects completed, and problems solved. Many of them don't want or can't afford to hire a full-time employee, so they turn to freelancers. You might be thinking, Paul, I don't have any super specialized skills, but I bet you do. Can you write a clear email, manage a social media page, organize data in a spreadsheet? These are all valuable skills. The beauty of freelancing is that you're essentially monetizing abilities you've likely already developed. The range of freelance services is incredibly broad. We're talking about freelance writers, graphic designers, virtual assistants, video editors, programmers, and so much more. Even if you think your skill is niche, there's a good chance someone out there is looking for exactly what you can offer. So how do you actually find these freelancing gigs? Well, there are several fantastic platforms designed specifically for this. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are massive marketplaces where clients post jobs and freelancers bid on them or offer prepackaged services. These platforms are great starting points because they have a built-in audience of buyers. You create a profile, showcase your skills, maybe build a small portfolio of sample work, and start applying for projects that match your expertise. It might take a little time to land your first gig, but persistence is key. Don't get discouraged if you don't get hired immediately. Keep refining your profile and proposals. Beyond the big platforms, don't underestimate the power of direct outreach and networking. Think about small businesses in your local area or in niches you're passionate about. Could they benefit from your services? Reach out to them with a personalized pitch. LinkedIn is another goldmine for connecting with potential clients. The more proactive you are, the better your chances. Freelancing offers incredible flexibility and the potential to earn a significant income, all from the comfort of your home, using skills you might already have. Okay, moving on to our second method, which is a personal favorite of mine because of its potential for passive income affiliate marketing. Imagine recommending stuff you already use and getting paid when someone buys it. That's affiliate marketing. You partner with businesses, promote their products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but you only promote things you genuinely believe in, which is super important for building trust with your audience. When you sign up for an affiliate program, the company provides you with a special trackable link. You then share this link with your audience, maybe on your blog, your YouTube channel, your social media, or even in an email newsletter. When someone clicks on your link and completes a desired action, usually a purchase, the company's system tracks that it came from you, and boom, you get a percentage of the sale. The commission rates can vary wildly, from a few percent for physical products on sites like Amazon, to 50% or even higher for digital products or software subscriptions. So, where do you find these affiliate programs? They are everywhere. One of the biggest and easiest to start with is Amazon Associates. You can promote almost any product sold on Amazon. Beyond Amazon, many individual companies, big and small, have their own in-house affiliate programs. The key is to find products and services that align with your niche and that your audience would genuinely find valuable. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build an audience and establish trust, but once you do, it can become a very lucrative and relatively passive income stream. Alright, let's talk about our third method for making money online. and this one is all about leverage creating and selling digital products. An ebook, a Canva template, a Notion planner, make it once, sell it forever. That's the core appeal right there. Unlike physical products where you have to worry about manufacturing, inventory, and shipping for every single sale, with digital products, you create the asset one time, and you can sell it an unlimited number of times. The profit margins can be incredibly high because the cost to deliver an additional unit is often close to zero. What exactly counts as a digital product? The possibilities are vast and cater to almost any skill or interest. We're talking ebooks on topics you're knowledgeable about, printable planners or worksheets, templates for software like Canva, Notion, or spreadsheets. You could create Lightroom presets for photographers, video editing LUTs, stock photos or videos, short online courses or workshops, website themes, or even digital art. If you can package your knowledge, skill, or creativity into a downloadable or accessible online format, you can sell it as a digital product. Think about what problems you can solve for people or what value you can provide. The great news is that you don't need to be a tech wizard or have a massive budget to create digital products. For ebooks or guides, you can use simple tools like Google Docs or Microsoft Word, and then convert them to a PDF. For templates, platforms like Canva make design incredibly accessible even for beginners. If you're creating a mini course, you can use tools like Loom or OBS Studio to record your screen and voice. Platforms like Gumroad, Sendowl, or Etsy, for certain types of digital products like printables and templates, make it super easy to list your products, process payments, and automatically deliver the files to your customers. The long-term potential of selling digital products is immense, especially when it comes to creating passive income streams. Now for our fourth method, and this is one that has fundamentally changed how people build businesses and make money: online content creation. Start with what you know: gaming, skincare, finance, fitness, anything. Seriously, if you have a passion, an interest, a skill, or even just a unique perspective on something, you can create content around it. And where there's content, there's an audience, and where there's an audience, there's an opportunity to monetize. This is the foundation upon which many online empires are built, including many of the channels you watch right here on YouTube. The first step is choosing your niche and your platform. What are you genuinely interested in talking about or sharing? It could be anything from cooking specific cuisines, reviewing tech gadgets, teaching a language, discussing personal finance strategies, sharing workout routines, playing video games, or even just documenting your life through vlogs. The more specific your niche, often the easier it is to attract a dedicated audience. Then, decide where you want to share this content. YouTube is fantastic for video, Instagram and TikTok for short-form video and visuals, blogs for written content, and podcasts for audio. You don't have to be on every platform, pick one or two to start with and master them. So how do content creators actually make money? There are multiple avenues. For YouTubers, the YouTube Partner Program allows you to earn ad revenue from ads shown on your videos once you meet certain criteria. Sponsorships and brand deals are another huge one, where companies pay you to talk about or feature their products or services. You can sell your own merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, etc. Affiliate marketing, which we've already discussed, integrates perfectly with content creation. You can also create and sell your own digital products or courses to your audience. Consistency and building a community are absolutely paramount in content creation. You need to show up regularly for your audience, provide consistent value, and engage with them. The key is to start, to be consistent, and to always focus on providing value to your audience. Our fifth and final method for making real money online today is e-commerce, but with a specific beginner-friendly twist: print on demand or POD. Want to sell t-shirts, mugs, or posters, but without buying stock? Say hello to print on demand. This model is fantastic because it removes one of the biggest hurdles and risks associated with traditional e-commerce, which is investing in and managing physical inventory. With print on demand, you don't buy any products up front. You only pay for the product after a customer actually buys it from your online store. Here's the magic of how print on demand works. You, the seller, create designs. These could be cool graphics, funny slogans, artistic patterns, anything you think people would want on a product. Then you partner with a print-on-demand service provider like Printful, Printify, Redbubble, or Teespring. You upload your designs onto their platform and choose which products you want to feature them on. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters, tote bags, the list goes on. You then list these virtual products in your online store, which could be a Shopify store, Etsy, or even directly on some pod marketplaces. When a customer visits your store and buys, say, a t-shirt with your unique design, the order automatically gets sent to your chosen print-on-demand provider. They then print your design onto the t-shirt, pack it up, and ship it directly to your customer, often under your brand's name. You never have to touch the physical product, handle shipping, or worry about unsold stock gathering dust in your garage. Your profit is the difference between what the customer paid you and what the pod provider charges you for the product and fulfillment. It's a beautifully streamlined process. So there you have it, 5 very real, very achievable ways to start making money online. We've covered freelancing your skills, earning through affiliate marketing, creating and selling digital products, building an income through content creation, and diving into e-commerce with print on demand. Each of these has its own learning curve, its own set of challenges, and its own incredible potential. The information is out there, the tools are accessible, and the opportunities are waiting. But knowing all this is only half the battle, and honestly, it's the easier half. The only difference between watching this video and actually making money online is taking action. You don't need to do all 5, just pick one and commit for 30 days. Seriously, just one. Don't get overwhelmed by trying to do everything at once. Now get out there and build your first dollar online. You've got this.